Whatever happened to tapioca? You know, I don't understand. Tapioca is the starch from cassava or yucca. Nothing to be afraid of. Here's how we're going to start. We're going to use a quick tapioca. You know, there's the old-fashioned, you take your, a while to cook. Now they make a quick one. So in this pot right here, I'm going to add, watch this, milk, orange juice, going to whisk in a couple of eggs, some orange peel, sugar, a little vanilla. Everything's cold, okay? And then the tapioca granules. Now we turn the heat on, and now we're going to let it cook. You just got to keep stirring it. Whatever happened to all the tapioca? It's like gone. You get tapioca, a little orange. I'm going to show you a great tapioca pudding parfait. I got a little bit of lady fingers, and they're crunchy. Purposely, they're stale. But not for long. So I take them and then I hit them with a little Grand Marnier. Then a little bit of orange. A little bit of orange. Lady fingers. We'll just put one. Just put one up like that. Then you can take some of the tapioca and set it like right in there. See that? And then what you should do is build these up like this and then let them sit up in the ice box. Let them sit in the ice box for a little bit. And then when you're ready, you pull them out. Okay? And then how I like to finish them, again, you can then put in the lady finger and then a little bam! Just a little bam. Then I like to just hit it with another bit of whipped cream. Okay? And there you have it. A little tapioca parfait.